It's like you've done some fabrication work before.
Nope, never. Yeah, fabricating, aka cutting out rectangles.
It's hard work, bro. You can get a welded diff kit. It just comes with two rectangles, so you can just drop in there.
I actually thought about a kit like that, but it would lock into like the spider gears. But then I was like, if it.
Just so you know, they do make the Phantom Grip style for these, but you have to machine the spider gears, which is stupid. Yeah. But they do make that. And I saw that. I was like, yo, that's cool. Oh no. By the time we did all that, we just put a limit slip in it. So.
A window switch?
Yeah, we don't need more power down low.
Why not?
Stock rods.
You keep saying this, but it's a $600 motor. Bro.
Yeah, they are all over the place.
That's why you do the K30s.
Because it's cheaper.
It's cheaper, bro. Trust me, I know. I don't even know. It's not like also we're the only place that has both. It's like, where's my bear? Alrighty, R.I.P. little diff. Oh, it looks like hammered dog shit laying down in there, boy. You're laying her in there.
One tire fire.
Open diff, no says I.
should weld a ring to the pinion gear. Seen that before.
What?
You see somebody do that? It's like, I'll weld your diff, and they weld a ring to the pinion gear. I meant to send you that picture. I was fucking dying laughing like, damn, bro. No, not that. I mean, I know that works.
I got worried there for a second. It stopped turning for a second.
Yeah.
I was like, oh yeah.
It's welded. Oh my god.
I might go back in after and do like little on the planetary gears, some spider gears still get. It's okay, little welder. Whoa there, the trigger got stuck. Woo! We were just hammered down that whole time, and man, that thing just didn't want to let up. That was weird. Big old BBW fat welds.
Test out the welded diff slash stock old ass axle.
What?
I said time to test out the welded diff slash stock ass old axle. Yeah, wait, get some temperature in it.
Nobody can hear you. You're gonna have to go in there, and then you're gonna have to film yourself. You gotta do it the right way.
All right, so the crazy thing is that it sounds like a built motor or something, but that's a complete stock motor we got out of a junkyard. Automatic 06 TSX. So we're waiting to get some temperature in it because
They're not gonna be able to hear this again.
yeah, you don't think? As you won't be able to do. We're not gonna get any VTEC or anything until we get some temperature in it. So we're just letting it warm up. And we'll see how it goes.
Do we go to 11 instantly?
No. No. So we're gonna cut to the part where we have to put in another diff. I can. They always break.
What?
I hear it the other tire. Feel any better? Sounds like backing plates hitting. Backing plate.
No, it brakes feel like fuck.
Really?
Yeah, it really spongy. You know why. You can hear the diff. You can kind of feel it. Not bad.
Huh?
Not bad.
That is annoying as shit. What the fuck is that?
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Whoa!